transferring transactional information from different modules to Oracle Cloud's cost accounting? Nothing easier than that. Hi, I'm Linus and welcome back to the 6-step video series where we walk through an actual cost accounting scenario end to end, step by step. After we created the miscellaneous receipt in the last video, now we want to take this transactional information and bring it over to our cost accounting module. So let's get right into it. I'm in a demo environment again as Casey Brown, and this task is actually a scheduled process. So go over to the side here, to the burger symbol, scroll down and go to Tools. As soon as you're in Tools, you want to look for Scheduled Processes. Click on that. We want to schedule a new process, so click on the button here. And the process that we're looking for is called Transfer Transactions from. Tap out and it would give you 3 different options, either from inventory, from production, or from receiving to costing. Miscellaneous receipts fall under the inventory category and not under receiving. That's important to notice. So click on that one, click on OK, click on OK again. Here you can just delete the commit limit. Shouldn't really matter, but in a demo environment you never know how much we have in there. And then for the cost organization, obviously select US operations because this is where we do all our training in. Click on that and then submit the process. This is an important step because if you don't run this process, cost accounting won't be able to see the transactional information and therefore not process it. As we can see in the list of processes here, our process succeeded. So now we can finally proceed into the cost accounting application to find this transactional information and create distributions from it. And that's what we're going to cover in the next video, so make sure to check out the complete course completely for free here on panamir.com. And as always, if you need my personal help, feel free to reach out to me directly using the link below.